they're on there.
There's a couple of them. There was a bunch of specks that just flew around too.
Yeah, yeah, I know. I saw that. They were all literally just flying around in circles a second ago. They're to the east.
They came across this whole field about 10 feet off the ground.
There's a couple hundred on there right now. Yeah.
There's a lot of birds in this area. Just constant trickle all the way around it.
There's more than 30 in there. They keep coming out off that bank.
I said 40. Enough that I'm not mad about it.
Donnie, Cody, and Lyle found these birds 3 days ago. They were feeding to the north. There's birds in there now. Yesterday they hopped over to a field here to the west. I think there's more coming that way. They hadn't been on this pond that we have permission on till today. We got snowstorm coming. It's supposed to be starting 8, 9, 10 o'clock tomorrow. The weatherman really does not have any clue what's going to happen. They're calling for 4 to 10 inches. Both fields are rototilled, so there's not really hide. You got to edge them. I just don't think we can get away with it. So I think we're going to gamble on this pond, run the ice rippers tonight if they don't stay on it. And if they do, we'll open it up, kick them off an hour or two before dark or light in the morning and open that pond back up. Give it the old college try, but I think it should be a good butt kicker in the morning, especially with the way this weather is going to set in. Hopefully this cold front stays. We're going to warm up next week, but it should be the start of our home season. Finally.
Bad for snow all over the decoys. Oh! Well, whoever shot it in the leg, right on the band. We might have only shot 5 today, but we got a good one.
This is a good group too.
That's cool. Not every day you shoot a band in the snow, huh? Little different morning. We were expecting it to snow, but not at 7:30 this morning. We thought it was going to be around 10 or 11, so we thought these birds were going to go water to water first thing in the morning. Try to keep this water open since it was 23 degrees this morning. We were wrong. Most of them went out to the field. We had one group of 6 come in. That's the only birds we had work, but one of them was banded. Decent little shoot this morning. Not what we hoped for, but this cold weather's concentrating these birds, pushing them onto bigger bodies of water, getting them grouped up pretty good. So we're ready for the next couple weeks.
Our annual Thanksgiving trip came at the perfect time with some cooler weather, and with good bird numbers and conducive conditions, we were able to scratch out a few solid hunts.
Right out front. Go! Kill him. Kill him.
Good looking duck.
Kill him.
We hope you've enjoyed this free episode. To continue watching, start your free trial now.